What's up, peoples? It's your boy, Cardinal Red. We back once again. As you can see, the water level has seriously dropped. And trying to see if we can pull something out of her. I ain't got too much time to mess around today. But in the little hour I do got, let's try to get it. You can see the river wall. You can see the entrance to the dam now. That's how close we are. Still got about another 40 feet to go before we at normal water level. Well, if I catch one, I'll holler back. Alright, people. Decided to switch up spots here. I got much more time down here, so gotta try to get it while I'm here. As you can see, the water is way down. We were sitting way up there last week. Just a week ago. That's how much water moves through here in a 7-day period, or real like a 5-day period. But I'll grab you if we get some action. Perfect day to go fishing, y'all. Y'all wondering why I keep moving my head in the cameras, because you see my white pole. Something's nibbling on it. And I don't want that thing to go in the water. Oh, I gotta try to keep my eye on that one. But hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody caught the fish of a lifetime. Well, you guys, the jig fishing wasn't working, so didn't get snagged up or nothing. It's just, but nothing really hitting it. I probably got the wrong colors, so I'm gonna try a little. Look, you can see my little float out there. All I had was a Joe Tiny Man float, so I'm gonna use that. See, I ain't giving me a bluegill. They over there jumping. Hopefully, I ain't getting me one. If we get one, we'll check back. Oh, we got one. Hold on, we got one. What was I about to say? Alright. We got one. Oh, we missed them. Y'all see that? Let's see if we go for it again. Yeah, he's going for it. Man, it went out completely under. I can't believe I missed that. He might have got a worm. So I'm reeling in, and look what was on there the whole time. Little tiny little drum. Wonder why I wasn't getting no action. Check him out. He on the board at least. I'll get a look at that drum.
Yo, it's your boy Cardinal Red, and we downtown Louisville, Kentucky. Man, let's jam out for a second.
Yeah, buddy. The boy Cardinal Red. And we back for another one. Back on the river. Found me a new spot. New little low spot. Let's try to get it, y'all. Trying to fall in this water. What's up, everybody? It is fishing time, man. No more cold weather. It's time to go fishing. Yeah, I love it when it's like this, man. Perfect weather. We got a lot of time right now, but I'll be back later on. Well, I feel a little conserving. What up, what up, what up? We're back down here once again. Found us another little spot a little further down. Stay down here about 10-15 minutes, see if I can't get a bite. I found another little piece of sidewalk I'm gonna try before I leave. If I don't get nothing down here, just switch back to my old spots. But oh. Whatever we got off. Yeah, people. Got this view. We're trying to get us one. I'm over playing with my little white pole. One thing I don't like about this spot, not a lot of space. You can see it's part of the dam wall. It's like the first stretch of the dam. See what I'm throwing? Alright people, let's conserve a little bit. Check this thing out. It's like they moving sand and coal and my bait at the same time. It's like I'm about to rig back up after this one comes through. It's a pretty big one. Well, gotta save my battery, people. Alright. That's the girl.
Yo, it's your boy, Cardinal Red. And we just gonna take a second real quick, man, before we get out of here. You know what I'm saying? This was my third day on, I think I did like 5 days of fishing, man. So enjoy this sunset, peoples. Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. It's your boy, Cardinal Red. We back once again. We at the McAlpine Reserve. Then to get us one. Water dropped down pretty good, so see if we can't get back here to this damn wall. Give y'all a quick look at this dam. I don't even think the jets is on. It's on here running. We're the only one back here, so let's hope we don't get stabbed today. Hope those little deers and snakes run up on us. Well, let's conserve some of this. Battery's dying already. Well guys, I finally settled on this spot. I walked over to the dam. Of course, the only spot to fish over there was already occupied, so. And the sand is still a little too wet to fish some of the other spots I wanted to stop at, so. And I walked over to the other dam wall, and too much mullet. Well, I'll check back if we catch one. The battery's running low.
All right, peoples. I just wanted to take a second, man, to talk about preserving the resource for the next generation. As you can see, it's a lot of trash down here, and a lot of that is washed up by the river flow, but a lot of that is left behind by fishermen coming down and abusing the resource. So let's be aware that there is a next generation, and we want to leave this to the next generation so they can enjoy it in the same fashion that we enjoyed it. So let's try to bring a trash bag or a Kroger bag and take our trash with us. Be respectful of the next generation.
Oh, we got one. Got a little average. We on the board. We on the board. Check it out, y'all. That's a little hybrid. Yeah, buddy. What's up, fellas? Huh? Man, just try and get it, bruh. What's up with you? Hell yeah. Got this little hybrid. I like that little dune buggy. I'm Where y'all get that? Where y'all get the dune buggy at?
Yeah, I bought that.
Is that the first one you caught? Yeah, I ain't been down here that long.
You just caught that?
Yeah.
You didn't just. It's still alive.
Yeah. Back down here at the falls. The fish are biting. What up, what up, what up? Trying to get us one. See how many people's out here. Oh, we got us one. Got him. Got him that time. Yeah, see that? Got us one. Oh, come on, buddy. Get away from that rock. Alright, get up there. Yes, we got us one. Get your ass up there. That's a fat one, too. Nice bass. Check that out, y'all. Yeah, buddy, got us one. Call this mud. Gotta go through. It's all for the fishing. Hope y'all enjoy this. All for the fishing. Everybody's been catching stuff. I caught 3. I dropped one. And I had like a 15-pounder on and snapped my line. Oh, having a pretty good time so far. It's gonna be hard to talk and fish and not fall off these rocks at the same time, so bear with me.
Well, peoples, quick public service announcement, man. Don't be like Cardinal Red, man. You see how this flow is, man. Don't come down here without a life jacket and risk falling in that water, because you're really taking your life in your own hands, man. Unless one of these boat guys grab you, you're pretty much gone. So wear a life jacket.
Everybody's having a pretty good time. low. Bass. Buddy is full. Cut some of these up. Go catfish it. Alright, y'all. Yeah. It's pretty big. Probably a drum. Y'all see it? Oh, that's a drum. Oh, drummer. Drum dilly bum. Almost made me drop my. Oh, made me drop something here, little. Drum dilly bum. That's what we got today. Alright, this is my worm trying to get away. Get back in there. Alright, y'all. I'm big. No. See what we got. Oh, come on, bud, don't go in the tree. Damn. Get out of that tree. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we out of here. Whew.
She like it is what it is. Nah, I ain't one to trick, I'm just investing.
Yeah, buddy, got some little catching cook going over here.